from Universal Studios Hollywood, welcome to Universal's Animal Actors.
Hi, my name is Ariel Wilson. I'm an animal trainer here at Universal Studios Hollywood. These are my friends Cooper and Leo. You've seen Cooper in the movie Benji. I've always loved working with animals, and my first opportunity came with a company that trains animals for movies and television. After that, I attended America's Teaching Zoo, where I learned even more about the value of training and working with animals. And now, being a trainer at the show, I get to share my passion with all of you. I am lucky to work with a great team of animal trainers and staff here at the show who truly care for, love, and respect all of our animal stars. On behalf of everyone here at Universal Animal Actors, we hope you have a great time and enjoy the show.
And now, please welcome one of Hollywood's top animal trainers, Ms. Ariel Wilson.
Ollie is a man-made conure and he's been trained to fly from one person to another. To demonstrate that, I need help from an adult volunteer. Someone in the middle section that's not afraid of a bird. Leave here in the center with a white tank top on. Stand up, please. Stay where you are. Take out a dollar bill. Now, the reason why I've asked for $4 bills is because Ollie doesn't know her. He might feel uncomfortable flying to somebody that he doesn't know. As seen in Evan Almighty, we train our birds to recognize and fly to a common object. Here at the show, we use $1. Great, stand up for me. Fold the dollar in half. In half one more time. Place it between two fingers. Arms straight out to your side. Very good. Perpendicular to you. Straight out to the side. Yeah, fold your arm a little bit higher. Don't move. Ollie should see that and know exactly where you need to do a flyby. We're supposed to land for some photos. I'm going to have you come out to the center here. Make you really obvious. Alright, no distractions right there in the center. Perfect. Pause for some good. Enjoy the show. Alright, over here with a $20 bill. I'm teasing. Go back out. We're going to get it back to you. Same arm, palm up. Stay still. Ollie's going to return that right back to where he found it. Alright, done. Thank you, Ollie. Step up a little bit. You are all finished. Not only do we get to work with cute little birds like Ollie, sometimes we challenge ourselves with something larger, like a bird of prey. As seen in Universal's film Lady Hawk, Matthew Broderick catches a hawk with precision and grace in a spectacular feat of flight. If you'll turn your attention towards the top of our arena, one of our trainers is going to be flying down a star you might recognize from 310 to Yuma. Just please remain seated, and when the trainer's ready, she's going to send down Arrow. Come on over here. We have a volunteer. Ma'am, you want to take out that $1 and we'll send you Arrow? No. Good choice. Thank you, Jessica and Arrow. I'd like to take this moment and introduce another feathered friend at Universal, Sweet Pea.
They listen. They are good birds. They listen to the auntie. He's fast.
Wow, nice moves. Now we have something even better. With the use of a giant fan, this green screen, and a little bit of movie magic, we can transport our animals anywhere we want. Step 1, we need an animal. Welcome out our stunt bird, Shredder, a green-winged macaw. Shredder's trainer is going to place him into a strong current of wind so that we can film him in flight. Nicely done. Step 2, we'll add in that movie magic. Now that is some fantastic flying. Great job. One of the most common questions we're asked here at the show is how
how your animals land a role in a movie or a television series. It starts with some basic training, and to demonstrate that, welcome out my boy from Benji, Cooper! Hi, Yoda! Now, in addition to knowing some basic behaviors, our dogs also have to be able to work alongside their co-stars. So I need a volunteer who's not afraid of a dog that wants to help me out here on stage. Rain down to the choices. Okay, let's start right here on the end in the yellow shirt. You want to help me out? Oh, you brought your own fan club. Come on up here. Hi there, right here next to me. What's your name? Ruby. Ruby? Nice to meet you. Where are you from, Ruby? Bakersfield. Bakersfield, well, welcome to Hollywood. Okay, Ruby, you're going to be our actress. I'm going to have you sit down right here in the chair, and we're going to let you say hi to Cooper. Get in there, Cooper Doop, nice and close. Do you want to give him some pets? Very nice. Cooper likes to kiss his actresses. Do you mind if he gives you a kiss? Okay. Give her a nice big kiss. Big kiss. Focus, big kiss. Get in there. That's a good get in there. Give her a kiss. Cooper. Okay, let's try this again. Cooper, your co-star would like to have a kiss. Okay, do you remember how to give kisses? Let's practice. Can I have a kiss? Oh, thank you! You do remember! Now, can you give your co-star a kiss, please? Okay. Oh, kiss. Don't rub on her. Give her a kiss. Big kiss. Get in there close. Yeah! Very good. Okay, Ruby, you can relax. Cooper's going to do all the work here. We're going to be demonstrating one of our more advanced techniques. It's called the work away. I'm going to use this training tool called a mark to tell Cooper where I'd like him to be in our scene. Are you done drying off? Hello. Now the first step, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Very good. Sit. And I'm going to take one of his favorite treats. Stay. I'm going to place it in front of Ruby. That way Cooper knows where to focus his attention. And I'm going to be behind him, and I'm just going to use my eyes. Very good. Which is why we call this the Ruby. Gross. Let's try that again. Stay. Good boy, hands up. Good. Watch. On your feet. On your feet. Cooper. Oh, good. You can't hear me. Speak. Back up. Back. 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 Back up. That's sort of right. Sit. Sit. Apparently having the treats out is a little too much for you to handle. They're so delicious. Ruby, do you mind if I give you these treats? Perfect. Don't give them to Cooper until I tell you to, okay? He's going to try and win you over with his good looks. Good boy. Get on your mark. Mark. Good. Mark. Coop, mark. No, don't yell. Mark. Where is it? Good. Stay. Sit. Sit. Good. Cover. Stay. Cover. Stay. Oh my goodness, you're just guessing. Cover. Cover. Stay. Good. On your feet. Back. 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 Very good. Mark. Get on it. Mark. No cheating. Stay. Sit. Good. Sit up. Sit up. Stay. Good. Lie down. Down. Stay. Down. Just down. Down. You were doing so good. Get on your mark. Mark. Good. Get on it. Mark. Get on your mark. Stay. Down.
There you go.
All right, you can let him out. And the word wasn't not too bad, crazy boy. You did a great job, Ruby. Come on here with me. I have a souvenir for you. You are officially a trainer for today. Thank you so much for helping us out. Let's give a nice round of applause to Ruby. Not only do the animals have to take direction from their trainers, sometimes they have to take direction from actors. I need another volunteer. Someone not afraid of animals.
Sam.
Is the red shirt kind of in the center?
See, he wants to go.
Thanks for volunteering. Okay, come all the way over here. Let's find out who you are. Hi. What's your name? Roshan, did I say that okay? And where are you from?
Phoenix, Arizona.
Arizona. Well, welcome to Hollywood. Come on over. You're going to have a seat in our chair. Hey, we have a shotgun, please. Well, let's bring out your animal co-star, one of our newer rescues, Leo. Hello, Leo. Now, in the back, we have a huge pile of clothing. Anything that you want to wear. Hat, shirt, shoes, socks, pants, hats. I need you to tell Leo 2 things that you want to wear, and he's going to run back there and bring them out. And one more. Very good. You heard him. Now this is not a trick, it's a trained behavior. Leo is going to search through that huge pile of clothes and bring out exactly what our actor has asked for, one at a time. Thank you. Did you ask for a hat, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, you got it right! Nicely done, sir. Head on backstage, get that second item. All the way back there, search extra hard. Now when he gets the first one right, he never misses the second one, so he's not going to disappoint. He's going to bring out exactly what our actor has asked. Oh, where did you get this from? It's you. I'll do a take 2 on that. I apologize, that's Leo's girlfriend. You did a very good job. Stand up for me. Wave to your fans. Nice big Hollywood wave. Very good. Sit. Good boy. Here's your treat. I'm teasing. Do you want to help us out with one more scene? Okay, take a walk with me. Now, oftentimes on movie sets, directors want the dogs to do things they may have never seen or done before, and it's our job to help them through that. We're going to show you how it's done with a little bit of friendly competition. Make some noise for 2 doggy stars, Pink and Dapper. When our animals audition, we give them lots of encouragement, so we need everyone's help. When I say action, I want each team to cheer as loud as they can. We're going to practice. This half of the audience, you are on Team Sadie. Here we go. Lights, camera, action! Okay, not too loud. Everybody on this half of the audience, you are on Team Dapper. Let's try it. Lights, camera, action! Nice cheering. Here's the audition. One by one, the dog's going to jump up and over our human hurdle. Weave through the holes, shoot through the red tunnel, jump back over the hurdle, and finish off by ringing the bell. Sadie's in place to go first. Let's cheer her on. Lights, camera, action! Audition, you guys can go wait in your trailer. Dabbers are ready. And action. All right. We're out of the tunnel. Maybe we should start over. Do you want to do a take 2? This is how. I'm so sorry. Stand up for me. Well, you know what? It is a very warm day out, so that's going to dry up in no time. You did a fantastic job. You are also a trainer for the day. Let's give a nice big round of applause for our actor. Jasmine, your scene is over. I need you to leave stage. You're hurt. Jumped over what kid? You didn't jump over anybody. Is that necessary? Yes, he's very dead. Help! We need help on stage. Trainers, help! Wait. Are we getting help for the dog or you? Maybe we should try a CAT scan. Yeah, the CAT scan will tell us what's happening here with the dog, and then we can panic. Wait a minute, no, there's a cat on stage. Wait.
burritos with legs. One moment, I'm going to round up those guinea no. They said guinea pig, not guinea pig. Oh, that's funny.
She's going to come here now.
चिकन आ गया काला हो जाएगा
I am so sorry. Everything is under control. We are professionals. We're going to start with silver. Okay, she's not professional, but the rest of us.
समायरा क्या हुआ है
Ladies and gentlemen, the cast of Universal's Animal Actors.